Hey, this is Sharon at Cold Creek Nurseries, still at Edisto. Wanted to show you this because this is just a perfect example of where you can plant a mass of something and really make a statement with it. This is what we call Farfugium Gigantica, or tractor seats, what most of y'all call it. And this plant is beautiful. This is about its mature size right here. And pretty soon it's going to be sending up those real pretty yellow flowers, which gives you that fall look to it. This will take full shade, part shade, definitely afternoon shade. Um, it can handle pretty much drought conditions after it's established and seems to be thriving right here under this huge, I think, Hollywood juniper. So anyway, this is a great plant to put in your shade garden. Size of the leaves are just unreal in this plant, and it really shows up for you.